Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our fruit for thought, so let's get into it, see what our theme is this month. Thought is a fun themed lifestyle box. You get it every month for forever. It has been fruit and vegetable themed and not just like carrots or green beans, that kind of thing. It was like carrot cake or key lime pie. It did fruits or veg, but now they have expanded and they are doing new and different themes like around the world. I think last month was Je t'aime Paris. Let's just open this baby right up and see what this month's theme is. This box is sent to me for review, but since we do it here on the channel, I have for you a code Catherine10 that would get you 10% off any linked subscription that you choose. That's what it looks like when we open it up. She uses her own branded tissue paper. I've always loved the way that looks. I don't remember what this month's theme is. I feel like when I see it, I'll be like, oh yeah, I remember now. Because I do follow Fruit for Thought on Insta and she does give us spoilers, but nope, still don't know. When we open it up, that's what the inside looks like. It is March theme pie shop. Yes, I do remember that now. April theme is going to be cherry blossom. Being here in the Washington, Maryland area, we love our cherry blossoms this time of year. That is what the card looks like, and on the back it just gives us a little bit of information about each of the products that we have. Let's dig in. Right on top we have Tea Time with Gilly Bean. Gilly Bean or Jilly Bean? I say Gilly because it starts with a G and, you know, with the Scottish, I think, Gilly. Lemon meringue 6 tea bags. Yum. Lemon meringue green tea will brighten your day with creamy sweetness and sunny lemony notes. Blended with green tea and the natural flavors of lemon, vanilla, and cream. It's the perfect springtime treat. I just probably cheated, and I bet that is exactly what the paperwork says. It does say that, but it also says handmade and packaged in tea bags by Gilly Bean's Boutique. Includes a moderate level of caffeine. Steep at 180 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes. I think most green teas have less caffeine than black teas, but they are not decaf. Get it open. These are our little tea bags. I just gotta take it out and smell it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so lemony and nice. That smells like dessert. I don't know what the intent was, but it smells like dessert. If it tastes even half as good as it smells, it's gonna be lovely. I believe I will be having one of these after dinner tonight. Next out we have, ooh, Hammonds coconut cream pie, milk chocolate, and shredded coconut. That is basically everything I want in life. Let's see if it's easy to get into. It is lunchtime and I decided to just wait and eat after I did this because I don't want to get stuff in my yipstick. When we get into it, and I think I broke it opening it, but it's little hunks. One is already ready to be eaten. Oh, I could have turned it and seen. It's filled. I thought it was going to be, oh my goodness. That is good. I'm trying to be so good on my diet. And I'm getting so many snacks and boxes and stuff. And oh my gosh, this is delicious. Yeah, that's over the top delicious. Enjoy the delicious combination of, I'm drooling. I got to stop. I'm still drooling. I can't talk. Oh my gosh. Enjoy the delicious combination of decadent milk chocolate with creamy ganache and shredded coconut. Hammonds Candies Chocolate Cream Pie Bar. Yeah, that is, I would take a case of those. Thank you very much. Next up we have, what is this? The Perfect Cake and Pie Divider. Divide your cake or pie into 6, 8, 10, or 14 equal pieces. What happened at 12? Food safe, dishwasher safe, BPA free. I'm not sure how this works. The paperwork says it's from Hutzler Co. and mine is blue and the picture is pink, so I don't know if there will be variations. So how do you do it? Align the starting line on the top of the cake pie divider with the 2 divider guides. Move the top colored divider guide to the number of pieces required. Insert the cake pie divider into the center of the cake using the first colored divider guide. Cut straight down. Move your knife to the second white divider guide and make the next cut. Rotate. That sounds like math. Let's get this out of here and see if it's easier than it sounds. That is what it looks like. These are the 2 guides they're talking about, and then there's numbers on it. To be honest, I don't understand how this works. I see that there are numbers on it. If you got this or you completely understand it, I don't understand. I might just have to rely on my eyes and make my own cuts, but if you understand that, let me know. Okay, and next out we have, oh, it's Oh my gosh, is it a candle? It is gorgeous. It looks like an apple, let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna say an apple crisp or something like that, and it's gonna be absolutely not that. Cute handcrafted pie scented candle bowl by Escape Candle, and Escape is spelled with an I. Does it say? Apple crisp dessert candle, 3.5 ounce soybean candle, escapecandles.com. That is what that looks like. Let's take it out. I feel like we're not seeing it well enough with all that cover on it. It already smells amazing though. I can already smell the fun apple scent. Oh, oh my gosh, it smells so good when you get it open. Yeah, I probably won't burn this. It's too pretty. Can you see it? I think that was a piece of the crumble. Apples, caramel, crumble. It smells so good. It smells appley and crisp in here. It smells so good. Next out, I have a Betty Lou's Apple Cinnamon Fruit Bar. Non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free. Tastes like a piece of pie. That is what that looks like. This is a delicious apple cinnamon gluten-free all-natural snack by Betty Lou's Inc. With the taste of homemade baked cobbler, all sugars come from natural fruit and fruit juice. Nope, nothing in it I can't eat. Let's just open it up and give it a taste. We're just kidding. Can you tell? Can you tell? I came upstairs hungry today. Normally I'm like, oh yeah, that looks so good. And I might open it and smell it today. I'm like, no, we're trying this. We're trying all this stuff. Ooh, it's like, I expected it to just look kind of like a Larabar, but this looks like a Larabar with stuff sandwiched in it. That is a good treat. 100 calories, 3 grams of fat, 42 total carbs, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 25 grams of sugar. So, how did they say they got the sugar in here? Oh, fruit juice and fruit juice concentrate. I was like, that's a little bit of sugar, but still. And I'm not arguing that that's not a good bit of sugar. 200 calories for this. And it is non-GMO, vegan, all natural, made with really good things. Comparative to eating like a piece of pie, still a really good choice. And that is delicious. Kids would love this too. That is delicious. Having some fun snacks. Next I have a pie server. That is a really nice bright pie server. I got one kind of like this. I don't know if it's over there in a different box. It's not this exact one, but it's kind of like this. This is so summery, fun, and bright. It's melamine. The back is orange. You could totally take this outside because you wouldn't have to worry about breaking it. Oh, pie. I took the tea out first, and for a minute I was like, this is not very tea themed. It's got a lot more cake pie stuff going on. It's because it's a pie theme. Keep up, Catherine. Very good pie theme. Not so good tea theme. Very good pie theme. Would you like to know who this is by? I was just getting ready to blow right by it. Looking for more snacks, no doubt. She can't be trusted today. High-grade glazed melamine pie server from French Bull NYC is scratch and shatter resistant, non-absorbent, and BPA free. Great for the home or as a gift to serve pie in style. Dishwasher safe, hand wash recommended. Do not use in the microwave. All right, and last out, and it's not food, we have, oh, it's from Southern Fleek. That's hilarious. I'm getting ready to do a Southern Fleek box. Well, we know we're gonna love this right away because we know we love Southern Fleek. This is blueberry pie body wash. Yum. Let's see what it smells like. You know what it's gonna smell like? I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna use my psychic visions and I'm gonna tell you. It's gonna smell like blueberry pie. Oh, still nice and sealed. Oh my gosh, blueberries, blueberries. It smells so good. Yes, I will totally be using this, totally. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. This is from Southern Fleek. You guys know we love Southern Fleek here on the channel. I love her boxes. She does so much fun, awesome smelling, fun looking bath products. Bath and body. Blueberry pie scented body wash made from scratch by Nikki Ward with nourishing ingredients such as shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. It bubbles up soft and silky with the perfect pH for your skin. See how good it is? It's basically medicine for your skin. Okay, that is our fun Fruit for Thought box this month. It is themed pie, not tea, pie. We have a pie server, the blueberry pie body wash, definitely pie. The, oh, I'm back there now. The tea bags, which were lemon meringue. Did I say meringue? Lemon meringue? Lemon meringue, which makes complete sense in a pie box. I have this lovely apple crisp. Smells so good. Apple crisp pie. Apple crisp. No, just technically. Cheater. Cheater. Not a pie. Crisp. We have the Hammonds coconut cream pie chocolate. What's left of it. We have the Betty Lou's apple cinnamon fruit bar. Delicious. 200 calories. This is totally something that I would poke in my purse because sometimes I go out there without thinking about eating. When I'm being really good, and sometimes I need a little something or I start feeling not great. So that would be perfect for that. And we have the totally stumped Catherine on how to use this Hutzler cake and pie divider. So you put this in there and you turn these and it will tell you how to cut your cake or pie into the right amount of pieces if you're smart enough to work it out. I'm sure it's quite easy. I'm sure it's me and the lights. Might just be me without the lights. That was our March theme pie shop. Look how stinking cute that is. Another great theme from Fruit for Thought. So although she's moved away from just fruit and vegetables, it's still, I mean, this had a very fruit theme. We had lemon meringue pie, apple crisp, an apple cinnamon fruit bar, blueberry pie body wash, coconut cream pie candy bar. Still very fruit veggie centric. Thank you so much for coming by to watch this. I will put my code Catherine10 along with the link down below. If you would like to go over and check this out, it will get you 10% off any link subscription. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I don't know the answers, I will get them for you. This box is sent to me for review, so I want to thank Fruit for Thought for sending it over, and I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys.